To make the best salads, quality counts, so you need to be able to buy the best ingredients or make them yourself. Good quality walnut oil is sometimes difficult to get, so small oil press machines can be used to turn walnuts into oil quite easily. To process 200 grams of walnuts, it will take about 5 minutes with a yield of about 100 grams of oil, and less than 5 minutes to clean the parts after you are finished, so probably a little bit faster than going to the store, and the quality of the oil will match the quality of the nuts you use without anything being added to it. To make a fast and simple emulsified dressing, I like to use a wet-dry spice mill, especially when I am making a small amount. Chop up half of a small shallot, a clove of garlic, half a peeled and cored Bosc pear, and add them to the spice mill. The organic fruit vinegars you buy at the store can also be made at home and with the flavors of fruit you like. This recipe uses 2 tablespoons of homemade Bosc pear vinegar, but a good quality apple cider vinegar works great too. Add 3 tablespoons of walnut oil, season with salt and pepper, and process until smooth and emulsified. Stored in the refrigerator, this raw, uncooked walnut pear dressing should be used up within 2 or 3 days. To assemble the salad, place a small handful of sprouts into a small mixing bowl. I am using a medley of broccoli, fenugreek, and alfalfa sprouts that I grew in a mason jar on my kitchen counter, which takes about 4 days, but you can use the variety of sprouts that you like, and toss with a tablespoon of the walnut pear salad dressing. Top the sprout salad with slices of pear and a few crumbled walnuts.